Okay, so as we know, a major part of lots of SEO strategies is posting blog posts frequently, blog posts with valuable content. So on Webflow, they're called collection lists or collection list items, and we've been getting a lot of questions about how to optimize them. So Webflow has a great feature for compressing images, but it actually misses the images in your collection list. So here's a little trick that we've been using that will probably be helpful. So to illustrate the example, I've set up the compression test article, and all of our required fields are filled in except for the featured image. So we'll put in the narrowland image here, and we'll go ahead and publish this. All right, and let's take a look at it. So when we pull that to the side, that's a JPEG. We want WebP, right? But when we use Webflow's image compression feature, which happens when you expand your assets panel, you'll see that our collection list featured images, or any images in the collection list for that matter, are not available. So that's no good. So we actually prep the image before we ever get on to Webflow with a quick little trick here. You may be familiar with Squoosh.app, but they have recently added WebP compression. So you just want to come over here, and instead of accepting the JPEG, take WebP, and we're down 89%, and we're not even really trying that hard. You could really drop it if you wanted. You could go, 30%, something like that. The quality isn't much different, but for the sake of this example, we'll stay at their recommended 75, and we'll download that. I got a nice clean download folder because I knew I was going to be recording. So we'll put that out there. And then let's hop back into our post and just fix that. Collection, articles, compression test articles. So we'll delete. We will re-upload that guy. Publish. And when we go back and check it, we got a nice WebP, which is going to load faster. Google's going to be happier. Your site's going to index better. And especially as you're continuing to post and more media files are compounding, you're going to want to make sure that those are all WebP, just so that things stay fast, stay optimized. And again, you give your site and your content the best chance to index on search, show up high on the lists, and help your business. So I hope this was helpful. Just a simple little trick that has been going a long way here at Narrowland World Headquarters. Thanks.